Learn how to flip houses, a step-by-step process. So you would like to know how to flip houses in Canada works and how to generate instant profits? The business of flipping houses in Canada is very profitable, and so is investments. Similar to other businesses, you must go and visit flippingforprofit.com to learn. You would also need to join the Professional Real Estate Investors Group Pre-Canada to learn more and meet with professional real estate investors in order to learn how to flip houses. How to Flip Houses in Canada program, step-by-step explanation. 1. Get the training needed. For real estate investment, you would need to make a significantly large investment. Each business has secrets, strategies, and tricks. Learn the process from Canadian real estate investment experts. 2. Attend eyewitness boots-on-the-ground live field training. Do not believe those slick snake oil salesmen who want you to buy $50,000 seminar and having nothing to show you in your backyard. Take the time to visit and observe real deals, which is known as training or boots on the ground. 3. Take the Canadian Real Estate Investors Strategic Apprenticeship CRISA, which is meant to give you as many benefits as possible, how to do its strategies. You will benefit a great deal about learning buying deep discounted real estate to using forgivable Canadian real estate grants. This is one of a kind unique apprenticeship which spells success. 4. Top 50 steps of due diligence. You must do independent due diligence based upon the facts rather than opinion. 5. Start acquiring Canadian real estate deals from 40 to 85% discount. You will never find those types of deals on multiple listing services MLS. Please do not try to rob a fellow Canadian homeowner who has cancer or try to take advantage of their circumstances. 6. Assign the offer quick flip. Please ensure that you have access to the assignment clause which would help you to assign the contract before closing. The best part of this clause is you are not liable in case the deal goes sideways. 7. Close the deal with the joint venture partners. It would be fine to begin investing in Canadian real estate with introductory steps and getting joint venture partners to offer you money and experience. 8. Get the house renovation done with the required building permit. A lot of Canadian real estate investors do not get the building permit and insurance. Also, please ensure that you have all your contracts reviewed by your lawyer and there is a time period to finish everything. 9. Remember to always decorate the property. Would you ever want to go to your own wedding in top tank or jeans? The house needs to be decorated properly in order for it to get a high price. If something looks appealing, it would have a great worth and would bring a lot of profit. 10. Flip the house to end buyer. Be aware of capital gains as well as all expenses. Get the proper advice from Canada Revenue Agency as well as your accountant. Learn from Canadian real estate investment experts with a proven record.